Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Hadien boleh ki daga basa Thngan hadu arpaun riu Sngi unong elam pat ba bad unong traimon ngobha usonam Wangchuk ulapen kedno e gajnya ki jong u ham Medanta Hospital ha Gurugram Hadien bak Sorkar pedeng kala ai ki jing Kular halor ki mat bagi no ya ki dawa. Haga video kepala Sapriang la yoi ya ki menteri ke Sorkar pedeng u JP Nadda badu Dr. Jitendra Singh ki bala ai ya Wangchuk ban Pynkut ya ke Jingshah Thngan jong u bat ke Kurim jong u ke Gitanjali angmo kala don lang hakani gapor. Wangchuk uloong bola rai ban Pynkut ya Jingshah Thngan Hadien ki jaya keren ki balan ne Sngi bat ka Sorkar khnang ban laj na kanu kanu ku jaya kolmar bat ka jaya kan at hakari ula kerpat ru ya ki pat ba bakin long ki bahusiar bat kim dei ban ailat ya kanu kanu ku jingja ka basniu na kalyang menteri rang ba do kariu Narendra Modi ula pha ka khubor ban kerpat ya sunam Wangchuk bon bot ki jing batha ki doktor khnang bon kot no kat kum ke jing penbana ke Sorkar kala ai lai Tylli ki jing Kular bakong san kebenta ke bening kong kalong ban wan ra jing ekran hapok parliament ya karukam penyat ya ki examen bat ke jing lai tu ki jing keli kebenta ke baar kalong ban ai jing rap pisa ke babyang ya ki long yeng jong ki samla ki bala khlat namar ke jing sungusi Hadien ke jing lai tu ki jing keli jong ke examen need kat ba kebenta ke balai kalong banom register mukadma persya ya ki besim benta ha ke jing ki ha jantar mantar bara ke jing ya pat ba sya parliament ha ke arpau tarik naitung araja arpun riu hagar jo kapor ke Sorkar pedeng kala weng no yo education secretary bat kala thauru ya ka fast track court ban bishar kerki ya ki mukadma ki biar dei bat ki jing lai tu ki jing keli menteri rang ba do ru ula Kular ban le da ka bating e persya ya ki badon kti u Abhijit Dipke u bere u nongseng ya ka cockroach Janata Party CJP ula pen pau ka jing skokman ba Wangchuk ula Pynkut ya ka Jingshah Thngan jong u hreu loong ba ka seng kadang yai ne ha ka jing dawa ban hiar suki no u menteri ketanat puli puthi u Dharmendra Pradhan Wangchuk ula sedang ya kani ke Jingshah Thngan nadu ka arpu pratere u jellio araja arpun rio ban dawa jing penbha ha ka rukam penyat ya ki examen bat ban sim jing ken halor ki jing lak tu ki jing keli Hadien balapen kenria ya u na jantar mantar Safdar Jang Hospital ula kentaj ban Pynkut ya ke Jingshah Thngan hadu ba ke Delhi High Court kala ailat ban pen kenria ya u Sham Medanta Hospital.
Statement from the government side, government is positive on not registering cases against those protesting peacefully at Jantar Mantar in Delhi and those participating in the march to the Parliament on July 20, 2026. The government has already assured threadbare discussions to find solutions to paper leaks and educational reforms for exams in the Parliament. Besides, the government is also positively considering suitable compensations for the suicide victims of recent NEET paper leaks. ये हमारे साइड से आपके साइड वाला आप पढ़ेंगे या
पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है just that I'm grateful that the government has shown sensitivity towards the children who have been victims, towards the youth who were peacefully protesting on those dates, and that both the ruling party and MPs from the opposition have assured me that their discussions will happen on the floor of the Parliament regarding reforms in the examination system like NEET and others, and that we will also be discussing about the accountability of such lapses, and that we'll all make sure that such things never happen. No child, no parent will have to go through what these 20 children and their parents had to go through. I'm happy that you have assured me that, and I'm sure as the children have been demanding, at the suitable time, and no one to dictate, you will take accountability in the ministry with the minister also as a responsibility, and I'm sure you are already considering. And with these assurances, I'm touched and grateful to the government, and I want to appeal to the protesting students to maintain utmost peace. To express their feelings is a legitimate thing, but I do not approve violence of any kind, and allowing any antisocial elements to take advantage of this is not acceptable to me. It should be a genuine demand by genuinely concerned people, in this case youngsters. So with that being fulfilled, I'm grateful and I'll be happy to break my fast. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you. I have my leaders from the apex body of Ladakh and the KDA were also here, and they have flown all the way from Ladakh, and I'm grateful to them. Thank you. And Gitanji, you have always been by my side and support, and I don't want to thank you, but to express my feelings this way. Thank you.
Hadien, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka Sngi.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.